Changing your phone number on HBO Max is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information easily. Step 1. Sign in. Log into your HBO Max account using your current credentials. Make sure you are using a device that allows you to access your account settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Manage Account. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option labeled Manage Account or Account Information. Click on this option to proceed to the section where you can update your personal details. Step 4. Update phone number. Find the field that displays your current phone number. Delete the old number and enter your new phone number in the provided space. Make sure to double check for any errors. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to confirm your changes and ensure your new phone number is saved to your account. By following these steps, you can successfully change your phone number on HBO Max. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to HBO Max customer support for assistance.